I had a small Ikea Kallax, but I found that it was too dark and too small for our storage uses, especially now that our kids are growing older and have a lot more toys. I built the 8 cubby Kallax and noticed that my floor was really unlevel, so I used some pieces of cardboard to prop up the front. Then I built the dividers and added the drawers and waited a while before I continued this project. Now let's get to the actual hack part. I purchased some pine project panels and cut the sides and top to length. Then I drilled a few pocket holes on the top on the underneath of the cabinet. Essentially, my sides are longer and butt up to the top, and I created a U shape or a table and attached it together. From there, I put some construction adhesive on the Kallax and then glued my attached U-shaped pine and clamped it down until it was dry. I installed a front piece board that's only a few inches and not a full pine. This saves money and you're never really going to see the bottom. Remember when I said that my floors weren't level? To address this issue, I installed a 1/2 inch piece of wood across the back. So that way my metal stand that everything sits on will be slanted, but you won't see because the side panels are longer. I protected my wood with a few coats of matte polyacrylic, but you can finish your Kallax hack however you want. Check out the blog post at madisonmethod.com for more details. Thanks for watching!